Good morning. So let me tell you or show you what I'm doing this morning. I have this cake mix that I got on clearance for 87 cents. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cake, but I'm going to add bananas, vanilla, cinnamon, and walnuts to it. So we had the vegetable oil and the vanilla and the cinnamon, and this came from the food pantry. And then we got eggs from the chickens, and then we had bananas that we got on clearance as well. So I'm going to chop up the walnuts and get this all prepped, and we're going to make a spruced up boxed yellow cake mix today. So to the cake mix, we're going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to add in about half a cup to a cup of chopped walnuts. I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, a capful of vanilla. We're also going to add in 3 eggs. Not measuring, just a little bit. We're going to add in some cinnamon. And I mashed 2 bananas, so we're going to add that in as well. Once everything is in your bowl, you're going to mix it up. I have the oven set to 350. I have 2 8x8 square pans, so I'm going to divide them in half and make 2 of these, or you can put it in a 9x13 inch pan, okay? Make sure that you grease it, you flour it so nothing sticks, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got it all divided into the baking pans, and now we're going to stick it in the oven. I'm going to check on it in about 25 minutes, so roughly about 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's all done. I just pulled the cake out of the oven. I tested it, and it's ready to go. Now it's just got to cool off. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh. Yep. And there you go. Spruce up your cake mix. Find it on sale and add your own stuff to it and spruce it up. This is going to be so good.